Okay, so yesterday I did a video, and hopefully today it'll play better, but this is kind of a follow-up. So I talked about these definitions, and now I'm going to show you how to use the Google Map directions. Okay, so these are the directions how you're supposed to do it, but I'm going to show you, and this is the assignment. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Drive. So if you don't have yours up, you can open a tab and then hover over these little windows, click on Drive. Okay. Once you're in Drive, you're going to come over to New and click, and you're going to scroll down to where it says More, and then it gives you a whole bunch more options, and you're going to click on Google My Maps. Okay. And now we're going to follow the instructions. Okay, first you're going to title it, and you're going to put your name on it. So you're going to put, so I would put my name. And then I believe it said, let me refer back, first, last name, geography of Egypt. Okay, so I'm going to, Aaron Dalem, geography of Egypt. Save. Okay, so now it's labeled and it's named. I'm going to go back to my next set of directions. I know this is kind of hard to see, so I'm going to put it in present mode. Now it says, once you label it, locate the following places on your map and add 2 images with each marker. So also change your marker to a different color or special icon. So we're going to start at the Red Sea. So I'm going to back up. And in this right here search button, we're going to type in the Red Sea. And here it is. And so what it's asking you to do is to add 2 images and also to change the marker. Okay, so the way we do that is that we're going to add to the map. And once we've added to the map, it puts it right here. But it also allows us to make some edits. So right here is a little paint can. Boop. I can change the color of the marker to whatever I'd like. So let's say I'm going to make it red. Hello, it is the Red Sea. I think I'll go with this red. It's kind of a pinky red. I better grab one. How about this red? That's a good one. You also can choose an icon if you wanted to. So maybe if it's the Red Sea, I'm going to say that people might be voting. Okay, and I'm going to hit OK. You saw there was more. Let me show that again. Here's sports and recreation. There are places. There's transportation. Okay. Okay, so I put a sailboat. Maybe they sail out there in the Red Sea. I really don't know. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now, it did say to put 2 pictures for each one. So if I go to the camera, I'm going to click on this. Now, obviously, you don't have any pictures in here. And you don't have to, because watch what happens. I can go over to here called More, and I'm going to Google search it from right inside this map. Okay, so I'm going to go to Google search image, and I'm going to type in the Red Sea and see what it gives me. So it gives me a couple different images that I could choose. So I'm going to pick a couple because it said to pick more than one. I'm going to use this one because it looks like the Red Sea. I hope it is. And let's see, maybe another one. Wow. You think that's what it looks like? Oh, I'm going to click that one. So I selected 2. And so that way, when you click on that icon, you can see more than one image. So I'm going to hit save. Let's see if I can put one more. I feel like it just let me do one. Save. All right. It may only allow one picture. This is what I'm noticing, and that's fine. But I like the other one better, so I'm going to change it. There. All right, and I'm going to save. Okay, so I'm done with the Red Sea. Now I can go to the next spot. So on my clipboard, it now says to go to the Mediterranean. Back to my maps. And now I'm going to come up to the search bar again. Mediterranean Sea. Okay, and again, I'm going to click on it, hit add to map. And this is where I can change things. I'm going to change it. I think that I'm going to make it more of like a tealy color. and it's the sea. I did a boat the last time. Let's see, there was a transportation one. What is places? Oh. Oh, whoa. There's more. Is there one for water? I'm going to pick the shark. I don't know if there's sharks there. And so I'm done with that. I'm going to add a photo. So I'm going to go back up to my Google search and I'm going to type in the Mediterranean. Uh-oh, let's see what it does for that. I think I misspelled it. Okay. Oh, yep. That's beautiful. I'm going to save it. And now look at, I have 2 already in my map. Okay, so then I'm going to click on the next one. So I'm going to go back and you can see then you're going to do the Persian Gulf. So you're going to continue down this list until it's finished. It says copy and paste your map in the laptop to the right. Make sure your share options have been open so it can be viewed. So once you're finished getting all of these in your map, okay. Let's see. We are going to copy the map. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to get back to you on this. Oh, I don't know. Share or preview. Let's see. Did the directions say how to copy and paste your map onto this laptop? Sorry, I was seeing if the directions are on here. Hold on one second. Okay, well, I'll get back to you on that to see how we're going to put it onto the computer right here. So the next slide I want to show you, because I just spoke about this for a brief moment. In order to fill out this table, you have to click on this right here. You have to watch the video. So I'm going to click on it. And while you're watching the video, it tells you right here, it wants you to find interesting information. 3 pieces of interesting information. What did you find interesting about that information? So why did you choose to say that was interesting? And then it needs an image. Okay, so you're going to watch the video after you skip the ad. Okay, and there's a video. So again, you're going to watch the video, write 3 interesting things, why you chose those things, and if you could put in an image. Okay, you're reading, highlighting, reading, and then these questions go with the reading. So you're going to click in there and answer the questions. Okay, again, you're going to read the directions, answer the questions, answer these questions. Okay, all right, pretty cool, huh? So you're going to hopefully have watched the other video already, how I talked about the Nile and read to you about it. We talked about vocabulary and a couple other things. Okay, have some fun with that.